ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 58, ஸ்லோகா 6. ஜய ஜய தவ மாயா கேயமீஷேதி தேஷாம் நுதிபிஹி உதிதஹாசோ பத்தநானா விலாசஹ புனரபி விபினாந்தே प्राचरः पाटलादी प्रसवनिकरमात्र ग्राह्यघर्मानुभावे. Word by word meaning. Hey Isha, O Lord, Jaya Jaya, victory to thee. Tava iyam maya ka. What is this maya of thine? How wonderful. Iti, thus. Tesham nutibhihi, at their praises. Udita hasaha, smiling. Baddha nana vilasaha, sporting in various ways. Pataladi prasavani karamatra grahya garmanubhave. Pataladinam, such as Patala, Prasavanam, of flowers, Nikaraha, bunch, Matram, alone, Tena Grahyaha, knowable by it, Garmasya, of the heat, Anubhavaha, indication, where the only indication of the heat of summer was the existence of bunches of flowers such as Patala, etc., which blossom only in summer. Vipinante, in the forest. Punaha, api, again, thereafter. Pracharaha, thou didst move about. Full meaning. Being praised by them with the words, O Lord, victory to thee, how wonderful is thy Maya, thou didst only smile, thou didst thereafter move about, sporting in various ways in that forest, where the only indication of summer was the presence of bunches of patala and other flowers which blossom only in summer. The heat of the summer was not felt at all. Note: the sufferings of worldly existence are not felt when one remembers the Lord. This is indicated by saying that the heat of summer was not felt in Vrindavan, where the Lord was present as Krishna. Om Tat Sat.